Are you in the market for a 3-bedroom home with a beautiful saltwater pool? My name is Matt Baker with Legendary Realty, and today I have the privilege of showing you my newest listing in Spanish Fort, Alabama. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, sparkling pool, screened-in back porch, a beautiful entertainer's open floor plan, and let's go inside. Let me show you around. Outside on this craftsman porch, I love the look and the detail. You've got the columns with the wood edging on either side, the hanging pendant lights. And right outside on the front, I want to bring to your attention that the shutters on either side of the window are actual real wood shutters. They feel really nice and solid. They look great. And then out here on this corner, you're on a soft corner lot. So you've got an additional 20 feet that you actually could bring that privacy fence out further towards the sidewalk to give yourself more yard. And you've got a lot of shoulder room and privacy away from your neighbors in what would be a typical subdivision lot. Built in 2018 by DSLD builders, a beautiful home. Let's go inside and take a closer look at the floor plan. Walking in the front door, you're in this nice tight foyer space. It's got tall ceilings, crown molding all around, ceramic tile floor. It really sets the stage as you walk into this living room. You walk right into this open floor plan and it looks really nice. And one of my favorite features, selfishly, of this house is it looks at the pool. You can look through the living room and see the swimming pool, and it really just feels like you're on vacation. You're at the beach. In the living room, we've got engineered hardwood floors. We've got tall ceilings with a trim package. So a trim package has got crown molding throughout all the entertainment areas, living room, kitchen, and in the foyer. We've got a corner accent. We've got this gas log fireplace with this granite backsplash around it with a wood mantle, and it all opens up into the kitchen. Walking into this kitchen, I love how open it is. It's open to the living room. It looks really nice. Really an entertainment dream in here to have the kitchen that looks this pretty and then share with this living space. You can invite all your friends, have your parties, sit at the bar, serve your food. It is a great space. I love the painted white cabinets on this home. One of the things we don't see very often this day is a gas cooking range, so that's a really nice feature to me for those that like to cook. Stainless appliances, and this white granite, it's kind of a cream or a white color granite. It's a very popular color these days to go a lighter granite with the white cabinet, so it looks really, really nice. We've got pendant lighting above the bar, and we've also got this corner pantry that I'll open up real quick and let you look in. It's got wood shelving, which is really nice, so you don't have the cheaper wire shelving. You got the nice wood shelving, ton of storage, and it goes almost to the ceiling. So you've got a lot of storage there. And over here on this side, you've got right beside the refrigerator space, you've got kind of like a coffee bar area, which I typically see people set up. And it all lends itself towards the pool, headed towards the, we'll call it the breakfast area, but it really is a breakfast area and the dining room on this open floor plan. So all of it with the ceramic tile floors, kind of still open to the living room, and you can see out to the porch and to the saltwater pool. Right off this living area, we've got this nice short hallway that kind of turns this way towards the front of the home. We've got a full bathroom over my shoulder, and as it turns, it walks its way into 2 nice guest bedrooms that look towards the street with a ton of natural light. Now to take you into the primary suite, off the same hallway that the other bedrooms are on, it turns and goes down another hallway towards the back of the home, and it walks right into this large 15 by 15 squared room, a beautiful primary suite, and you can see the swimming pool from the windows on either side of the bed. The ensuite bathroom is set up so nicely. You've got the dual vanities right here. You've got the same granite and white cabinet that's in the kitchen. And then right here on the edge, you've got 2 extra cabinet doors that really serve as extra storage, but that's mainly your linen closet for when you're in the bathroom. And then you've got the garden tub with, I like the tile backsplash around that keeps the water from getting on the sheetrock as you're getting out of the tub. One of my favorite features about this walk-in shower is this frameless door. I think that's just a nice modern look, looks really nice and expensive to me. And you've got the tile all around, just gives it a great style as you walk in and out of the shower. Now you're probably wondering, where is the primary closet? Well, it's hidden behind this door, and as you open this doorway, you see 2 racks of clothes that go all the way down to the end of the space and then turn at the end, so you've got a lot of storage space. And then what you need to know right here is this box on the wall The house has a tankless hot water heater, so you got continuous hot water throughout the home, and you can control the max temperature right here at the box at any given time. Just a nice safety feature. If you want to keep it lower or hotter, it's your choice. Now, to finish up the primary, let's go check out the patio. Out here on the back patio, we got a great space. It's been fully screened. You got plenty of room for a table and chairs, as you see, and it just keeps you in the shade as you look over the pool. And then the roof line's been extended about another 4 feet from where the original roof line was, just to add to that room, add to that ability to bring in these tables and chairs, maybe even some outdoor sectional furniture to kind of just really enjoy the space to the max. Now, while we're here, I want to point out all around the house, we've got these little pegs that are around every window, and that's going to be for your hurricane covers so that you can cover all your windows and doors in the event of a storm and prevent your house from suffering any extreme damage during tornado or hurricane force winds. Now that we've seen all the house and the porch, let's go outside and check out this beautiful saltwater pool and just check out all the features that it has to offer. Right outside, just off the patio, we've got this nice little barbecue area. It's a good space. It's probably, I'd say 12 feet off the porch to the pool pad. And as you walk up here on the pool deck, we've got this nice deep saltwater pool. And what I want to show to you is you've got about a 6-foot tanning shelf right there. You could sit in the chairs, you could lay in the water. It's a great setup to just kind of hang out and relax being in the sunlight. And then on this side of the yard, this is the same side of the yard on my left-hand side that you could extend that fence out another 20 feet or so. Extra features in this backyard include this nice red tool shed that's right here off the pool. Got the saltwater pool pump right here, and then in the corner of the fence there's a nice concrete pad space, perfect place for hiding your garbage can or anything that you want to stay out of sight from the street. Thank you for joining me for today's tour over here in Spanish Fort, Alabama. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful 3-bedroom home with this saltwater pool. If you'd like to take a closer look at this house, my information is on the screen. My name is Matt Baker with Legendary Realty. You can give me a call, a text, or an email to set up your own personal showing of this beautiful property. And if you want to continue watching more beautiful homes in this area, you can click this playlist right here. And if you never want to miss anything I do going forward, you can subscribe by clicking this button right here. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.